Hello guys, welcome to this Salesforce developer training with real-time project. Now, as the name indicates, in this course, we are going to build a real-time application. And through this application, we are going to touch different aspects of Salesforce. So what is this course about? If you are familiar with the out-of-the-box features of Salesforce, and also if you're familiar with the basics of programming, and you want to use all that information in order to build a real-time application, then this course is for you. It is a complete hands-on training course. You're going to practice along with me and we'll build this application. In this course, we will also integrate Salesforce with an external system. This external system is responsible for processing our credit card payments. And you will also learn about remote site settings, custom settings, callouts, web services. All this we will touch in this course. What are you going to learn in this course? Now, as I've already mentioned, we are going to build a real-time application in the course, and we will integrate this application with Authorize.net, and we're going to use RESTful web services in order to send the request, and the response will come back from the Authorize.net payment processing system. Now, through this course, you're going to touch different things. You're going to touch out-of-the-box features of Salesforce. We're going to also include Visualforce, and also we're going to touch Apex classes. So that's how things are done in real time. Okay, so things are, whenever you do a project in Salesforce, you just don't do Apex classes. You do everything. You need to do some adding some fields, creating some objects. You need to build some Visualforce pages. You need to work on some Apex classes, and then most of the time there is an external system that you need to communicate with. So that's what we are going to do in this course. It's a small project which is going to give you a feel of working real time. Now, more about the real time project. We are going to build a property management application in this course. As the manager of this property, I will be responsible for managing the renters to my apartment units, to find the renters for my apartment unit, and also to process their payments. So every renter has to make a monthly payment. So I'm going to go ahead and have a system in place through which the renters will be able to make the payments. So we're going to go ahead and process those payments. So this is what the real-time application we will build on. And first thing we're going to start the course with, we'll be using out-of-the-box features of Salesforce to build objects and fields that we need for our property management application. Once that is done, then we're going to go ahead and set up the communication between the Salesforce and the Authorize.net. Then the next thing after that will be, we're going to build a Visualforce page, which is going to capture the information from the renter about their address, about the monthly charge, about the credit card information, the mode of payment, etc. And then we're going to go ahead and create Apex classes, which is going to be responsible for sending the request to the Authorize.net and processing the request and the response. So that is what this overview of this application that we are going to build. And next thing is this course for you? This course is not for you if you're just starting out in Salesforce. If you're not familiar with the out-of-the-box features, if you're not familiar with Apex programming, this course is not for you. This course is for intermediate developers who are already familiar with out-of-the-box features, who are already familiar with what is object, what are classes, etc. And they wanted to go above that. They wanted to go ahead and build something that they can use on your resume, that you can go ahead and discuss in your interview. So that is what this course is about. If you want to integrate Salesforce with a third-party system and you wanted to know how to do all the setup and stuff, then this course is for you. If you want to build a real-time application, how things are done at work, or how things are done in Salesforce, then this course is for you. I am 100% guaranteed that you're going to enjoy this course, you're going to love this course, and you're going to learn a lot from this course. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the course. Bye-bye.